What the fuck?
It was my delivery. What's that? I got my gear. Not another Amazon delivery. This is the one. I can feel it. It's gonna change everything. Why have you got the SM7B? You just bought a £2,000 condenser last week. Everyone has one. It's the sound. But you haven't even unboxed it yet. And you've only got one song. And you haven't even finished the demo version of that yet. Yeah, but how can I be expected to create when I don't even have the right gear? What's that? The car speakers. Why do you have car speakers? You don't even own a car. Duh, so I can hear what it sounds like in a car. Everybody listens to their music in a car, don't they? But you don't even drive. Why have you got a TV that size? It's not just a TV. You already have 3 monitors. It's got real black, so I can see the depth of my bass lines and everything. You do realise you're just displaying your door and audio files, right? How much detail do you need? All of it. Huh? Maybe the music isn't in your boxes. Maybe it's making do with what you've already got. Nah, better order that new interface.